Imagine that the future generation can reach back in time and speak to you. What will you tell them? Will you have regrets? Maximize this life-changing opportunity. Be part of MascotIT Virtual Summit. Theme: How to Start and Manage a Legitimate Online Business. Date: 27th to 28th July 2020. Venue: YouTube. Register to attend at www.mascotit.com.ng/MVS/register. Speakers: Just Ibe, Emeka Nobe, Dayo, Samuel, Precious Enyayekon, Pat Obilo, Dara Oladapo, Kehinde Ajose, Onyinyechi Mmecha, Esther Bodolawson, Nike Fowowe, Adeniyi Ifedayo, and other great speakers. For inquiries or sponsorship, send us an email at agbolade@mascotit.com.ng. Convener Agbolade Omowole. Don't miss it.